Hi, I'm Jessica Hallenbeck, your trusted realtor,
Hi, I'm Nikita Burdick, owner of Burdick Law.
and I have a couple questions for Nikita. I have family members that don't have trust, and I, think about what's going to happen when the day comes that, will happen. And what would be some good reasons for, like, say, a mother or father to set up a trust?
Right, so a really great reason is that trust administration happens outside of court, and it's a very easy process. Probate is very burdensome on the family, and it's very detailed and involved. So it starts with having to open the probate, which means you have to file a will if there is a will with the court. And then you have to file an initial petition to get someone appointed as the personal representative or executor of the estate. All of this involves knowing how to process through the court process, how to file, what needs to be filed, and it's costly, it's very expensive. There is a 60 to 90 day notice to creditors, so nothing can happen in that time period. But what if there's mortgages to be paid, bills to be made, things like that? They can't access any of the money yet.
Or what about the idea that what if they don't have all their assets together in one place? Is there a period of having to go through and find everything that they own?
Right, and that's actually one of the hardest parts of a probate, is figuring out what the person owns. If you have a trust in place and they take the time to do that, for our firm, for example, we have schedules attached to the trust, and it lists all the assets this person owns, and a way to, what bank, what's the last 4 digits of the account numbers, life insurance policies, retirement accounts. I've literally had probates where we've had to physically go through that person's mail to try to find what assets this person has.
Yes. My husband had to do that with his father,
Right.
and it took a lot of energy, and it was a long process.
Right, and if you don't find them all, they'll be unclaimed assets, and there's a certain period of time where if they're not claimed, they'll go to the state of Nevada.
Yeah, and who want that, right?
Right.
To know that your assets are not going to the people that you love. Well, wow, this is really good information. I think a lot of people need to think about what's going to happen one day, and who's going to be dealing with the aftermath of a loved one's passing. So yes, this is definitely a hard subject, but one that needs to be dealt with. Thank you, Nikita. I really appreciate you explaining this. Thank you. Have a good day.